Oh, nuts.
Lady, please, just get off the car!
No, not until you make an arrest.
You know what? I am gonna make an arrest.
Wait, what?
There we go. Okay, good. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Yep.
Miss Pierce, you have the right to remain silent.
What?
For disorderly conduct and interfering with a police investigation.
No. I'm the pillar of the community. I'm the business owner. You got to arrest him.
Just save it for the judge. I'll make sure he sees you first thing in the morning.
What? No. You're not going to make me
Move.
spend a night in jail. Oh, no, you're not. What? This cannot be happening. No, officer, you can't be doing this.
Lady, this is all on you. Literally everything that happened here today is your fault. If you would have minded your own business, nothing would have happened. Why are you the way that you are? Get in! Crazy Karens.